Neslemy Premium Denture claims to be an easy-to-use, no-glue dental solution that installs in just 1 second, giving you a perfect, natural-looking smile instantly. But the big question is this product really legit? Let's find out together, so stay tuned till the end for all the details. The first thing we noticed is that many of the product images on their website seem to be copied directly from the internet. That's a bit concerning because it makes you wonder, are these real product photos or just stock images used to attract buyers? When brands use such images, it often raises doubts about their authenticity. Another red flag is the 50% discount offer flashing on the website, along with a ticking countdown timer and phrases like, "Hurry up, sale ends soon." Sounds familiar, right? These urgency tricks are often used to push people into buying fast, even before they've had time to think it through. And honestly, such limited time offers tend to keep showing up again and again. Then, when we checked their before and after photos, we found that those too looked like they were taken from other online sources. That's disappointing, because before and after images should come from real customers, not random internet photos. It makes it hard to trust what the product actually does. Next, the brand makes some big claims. Things like 98% restoring chewing function, 97% keeping your face in shape, and 91% preventing tooth movement. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the thing. There's no verified clinical research or scientific study backing any of those numbers. Without proof, these claims feel more like marketing talk than real medical results. And finally, when we looked for reviews on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, we couldn't find any. That's not a good sign, because reliable products usually have genuine feedback from verified buyers. The lack of external reviews makes it really hard to know if the product performs as promised. So, is Neslemy Premium Denture legit? Well, based on everything we found, copied images, fake urgency offers, unverified claims, and no real reviews, it's safe to say that this product raises several red flags. The brand's credibility seems questionable, so if you're thinking about buying it, it's best to proceed with caution. Thanks for watching till the end, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.